In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link TikTok account to TikTok Ads Manager. By the end, you'll have your TikTok account connected and be ready to start building campaigns with confidence. First, open the official TikTok Ads website in your browser. This is the home base for setting up and managing your ads. On the homepage, you'll see the option to sign up for a new account or connect with your existing TikTok account. Choose the option that fits you best. If you already have a TikTok account you want to use for advertising, connecting it directly helps streamline sign-in and keeps everything under one login. Next, TikTok will verify and confirm your account. This step protects your access and ensures you're the rightful owner. Enter your email when prompted, then check your inbox for a verification code and paste it into the field on the site. If you don't see the code right away, give it a moment or check your spam or promotions folders. Make sure you have access to that inbox as you continue. You'll now be asked for your business details. Provide your company website, select your industry and region, and add your company name and phone number. Use accurate information here as it helps TikTok tailor your account and can affect available features and billing options. For region, choose the location where your business operates and will be billed. Once you've filled everything out, click Continue. From here, follow the on-screen prompts. TikTok will ask about your advertising objectives, such as whether you want to drive traffic, increase conversions, or build awareness. Pick the objective that best matches your immediate goal. You can always adjust strategies later, but choosing the right objective helps TikTok optimize delivery from the start. After that, start setting up your billing information. Add your payment method and confirm the currency and billing address that match your business details. Double-check that everything is correct to avoid any interruptions. Depending on your region, you may see different payment options. It's a good idea to review any spend limits or notifications so you stay on top of costs. With the essentials in place, take a moment to explore the interface. You'll find tools for campaign creation, audience targeting, and reporting. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and settings so you know where to manage permissions, review account details, and discover features you might want to use later. That's it. Your TikTok account is now linked to TikTok Ads Manager and ready to go. Take your time getting comfortable, and when you're ready, you can move straight into building your first campaign.